Hey y'all. So I'm doing something a little different today, and I'm in my dining room. Well, dining room, kitchen, living room. It's all kind of one big space, open space. But this is where I do a lot of my crafting, is at my dining room table. And I had pulled out a bunch of stuff. Since I've sort of been shut in. I mean, not really. I'm just trying to stay in and not get out. I have everything or me and my dad, we pretty much have everything that we need, and I'm just trying to, stay in. So, and keep him protected. My kids have come over, but it's been limited, and where they're not around, a whole lot of people. So I think we're all okay. We're all okay so far. So far, so good. I hope you all are doing well. And I'm just trying to really take advantage of all this time that I have at home and get a lot of stuff done. So anyhow, stop babbling on. So I thought I would show you guys something a little different. Now, this is an idea that you can use, you can do with your, let me see if I can focus this a little bit better. So this is just an idea that you can use your scraps and index cards, okay, to make little journaling cards. So y'all know I love scrapbook paper. I love vintage things too. But I do love scrapbook paper, and a lot of times I will pick up these little kits on peachycheap.com. And when you get, or like, not just Peachy Cheap, but Tuesday Morning and places like that. And usually in the little kits on Peachy Cheap, you get several things in a kit. So you'll get paper, and then you'll get stickers, and you'll get tags and all kinds of stuff. Well, I have all this little boy stuff, and I have I have these puffy stickers, and I have these stickers that have words on them. And then this all came in one kit. This one and this one, I think this was, Little Dude. It's called Little Dude. So I've used up most of the paper. I still have some of the little journaling cards. And then there was another one that I had that just had the big 12 by 12 sticker sheets. Now I've cut these down so they're easier to store and manage. So this was a Simple Stories line, and I'm not sure. it was a boy line, but I can't remember the name. That one goes with that one. I can't remember the name of this one. But anyway, so this is just a way, if you have any kind of stickers, scraps of paper, index cards, I just thought I would come on here and show you what I try to do with this to use it up, because I won't, these will sit and I won't use them. I won't ever use them all. I just won't. So the other day I was working on a little boy book for a friend, and I did a book for her first grandson, and now she has another one who's a little over a year old, so I made her one. And so I was working on some of these little cards to go in it, and these are just some ones I had left that I didn't use in the book. But I thought, okay, well, I've got all this stuff out, I would show you guys, this is just another idea of things to make. So I have all these index cards, okay? Now these are not vintage index cards, they're newer ones, and they're not made like the old ones are. They're really thin. So what I did was I took two of them and I glued them together. So let me see if I can adjust this a little bit better. Sorry. Okay. All right. So I just took and I use, I have a lot of fabric tack, and I like using this because, and I love the glitter glue as well. But for this, I just use the fabric tack. It comes out really easy. It sticks really fast, and then I can run it through my sewing machine, and I don't worry so much about it. Of course, now that I'm on camera. So I just glue these two together with the fabric tack. You can use any glue. Just let it dry before you run it through your sewing machine. You don't have to run it through your sewing machine. What I did you know, was I stuck the two, well, this one I actually put another piece of scrapbook paper on the back, but I just stuck the two index cards together. Look, let me just glue that one. And then once I put the little stickers and stuff on here, I just ran it through my machine, okay? Just to give it a little bit more embellishment, a little more interest. So super simple, doesn't take a lot of time, and it's a great way to use up scraps and stickers or little fussy cut images. You could use these. Like, you know, I know y'all seen me use these before. You could use these little things too if you have a bunch of little die cuts or fussy cut things like I do. I have bags of this stuff, y'all, and I'm really trying to use it up. And this is a super simple way. Now, on some of these I had some stickers, like these were longer stickers, but for this I'm just going to use scraps. So I'm going to find me some little strips. So like here I have this little strip of star paper, and I don't want it that wide, so I'm just going to cut it. I try not to overthink this. Try not to overthink it, because if you overthink it like I do sometimes, you just won't get anything done. You know, just find you a little strip of paper, and this is another one of those things where the possibilities are endless, okay? Just use your imagination, play with your scraps and your stickers and your index cards. And you don't have to have index cards either. You can use other stuff as well. Just whatever you have in your stash to make like a little journaling card from. You know, you could use these little file things too. I think I want to make some with those. I recently got those at a friend's house. They're having an estate sale, and they let me come in and look through their stuff and get some things. So like I like this little play hard, and I like kind of adding these little things up here. So I'm just sticking that right up there, and those little hearts just right above the edge. And then I may put a tab. I need to punch some tabs. I need to get my tab punch. I meant to do that before I started this video. I'm gonna punch some tabs. I may put some tabs on some of these too, kind of like I did this one. These were stickers in the sticker sets, and I just stuck them back to back, and then I stitched it in the machine. So if you can see that. But I really like that look. And then if you put it in a page protector, then this pokes out at the top and gives you, yeah, I'm set up different, guys. Sorry about that. I just hit my camera. And then it gives you that tab to pull, to pull it out. Okay. And you can put pictures on the back. You can just use it as a journaling card. You can put little pictures on it and journal around it. Just a lot of fun things to do. So now I'm gonna use some of these little stars. Like these little stars. Now, some of these stickers I press really, really good. Some of these stickers hold really well. Like, I don't think these are going anywhere, but you could like staple them or put some extra glue on the back of them if you're not comfortable, if you don't think they're gonna, hang in there. So now, this says play hard. So I'm just gonna decide, do I want to put like the little dinosaur there? Maybe the little robot, he's kind of cute. I could put like the little truck, whatever you want to do. I like these little puffy stickers. And then I have these other stickers too. So I have these stars and hearts, on this. So I could come in here and put some little stars down here around him. Get it to come off, and then it's as simple as that. So you got a really cute little card. You've used up some stickers, and then I just run and stitch this, and I could stitch just a little line through here, or I could just leave it. I'll probably just stitch down here and maybe add a tab up here, and then I got a really cute little journaling card. And really, you don't have to stitch through it at all. You can just leave it like this, and it's cute. You could add little fabric to it if you want to. You know, just another thing. You see how super fast and easy that was? So, I just wanted to come on here and show you, like, when I get all my stuff out and I start going through it, kind of where my brain goes. And if you start doing this kind of stuff and you get addicted to it, then you end up with, like, a whole box of embellishments, you know, for your journals, when you put journals together, depending on what kind of journals you make. Y'all know I do a lot of kid stuff. And there's not a whole lot of people out there, I don't think, that do the boy stuff. There's more, seems to be more girly stuff, but, you know, I have boys, and if you know me at all, you know I have 2 boys. They're grown now, and now I have 3 granddaughters. So, I get to use the girly stuff now. But I just love, and there's a lot more out there now than when my kids were little, for boys and stuff, and it's super fun. But anyway, so let me find me another scrap. So here's another scrap. And anyway, I love doing this, and it's really fun. Just fun to play with little bits. Super simple. And I'm out of frame because I really don't have my camera set up like I usually do. But I thought I would try this because the light actually seems to be better in here. And I had all this stuff spread out here, and I didn't want to move it just to do a video. But how are all you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing okay. That's kind of busy, isn't it? Ooh, busy. I hope y'all are doing okay and hanging in and crafting and getting things done, and hope you're able to you know, stay healthy and all that good stuff. I usually, when I do this, I kind of have an idea in my head, so I don't get hung up on something. I like this little man. This is a sticker. And if y'all are not, if you like scrapbooking items, if you're not all into just vintage things, if you like mixing things up, and you're not, you don't get peachy cheap information, I suggest you go check it out, because it's peachycheap.com, and they have really super good deals. Keep going out of frame. On different types of, every day they send you an email with different types of stuff, and if you go in the store, you go to some of the shops online to get some of these papers and stuff, you know, it can be pretty pricey, and Peachy Cheap really does have some good little deals. So, and you don't have to buy anything. You just look and see what they have, and if something comes across that you like, or a paper line you like, or, you know, things like that. Sometimes they do the die cuts. Sometimes they'll do stamps. Sometimes it's like a paper kit. I usually get the paper kits when it's something that I really like. Sometimes it'll be 12 by 12 paper and then stickers, or it'll be like a 6 by 6 paper pad and then embellishment packs and several little, you know, sticker packs together. It's really cool. Y'all should check it out. So see here, I had some more of those little tab stickers, so I stuck those 2 together, and then I'll run that through my machine, because they'll probably stay, since it's sticker on sticker up here. But if you don't do your sewing machine, I would add some extra glue just to keep it from peeling up later. You know, because some stickers stick really well and some don't. So I like that little man. So now I want to add something else to that. So there's all these little words down here. So I could use big heart, you know, little man, big heart. Put that there. And then I could put like a heart sticker on here. Let's see. I like this one. Or I could do a puffy heart. I think I got some more puffy hearts on here. Yeah. Could use the yellow one. I could use this little one here. Kind of like the big heart though. Little man, big heart. Yeah, I don't like that one so much. Let's see. This is what I sort of do. I get a little bit picky sometimes. Where's that other one? So I really like this puffy yellow heart. So I could do like, you know, actually I could put that there, like little man, big heart. But I think I'm gonna put it down here. Little man, big heart. And then I'm gonna put a smaller one up here. Okay. And then I'll just run this. Actually, I'm gonna add some extra glue to this. But I'll run this through my sewing machine. Because the puffy hearts, the puffy stickers, some of them stick really well, but like the little ones, I'm just adding just a little bit of extra glue for extra security so it's not going anywhere. Anyway, so that's that. Just really, really, you know, something super, super fun, super easy to do. And you could make, you know, in an hour, you know, you can make several of these. And then, you know, when you start making embellishments like I do, then you end up with this whole, I've got a whole, like, a whole tray full of stuff here. Those are other embellishments, but yeah. So I sat here yesterday and made, you know, quite a few of these, and then several of them I put in the book. But yeah. So that's just one little thing that you could do. I'm gonna come back and do some other videos, give you some ideas of some other things you can be doing and making, and I will see you soon. Let me know if you like this setup, if it seems to, if you like being closer in, you know, other than me hitting my camera. I'll try not to do that. Let me know what you think, guys. All right, love you. See you soon. Bye.